Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: your password, a phone you control, and backup options. Open the Facebook app or go to the browser. Sign in now. Once signed in, go straight to Menu, then Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and open Security and Login. You do this because two-factor depends on a verified device and correct account credentials, so don't skip signing in. Now that you're at Security and Login, prepare to choose your authentication method. We'll do that next. Once at two-factor authentication, tap Use two-factor authentication to view options. You should pick an authenticator app for stronger security. If you choose that, open your app, scan the QR code Facebook shows, or enter the code manually. Then enter the 6-digit code Facebook requests. If you prefer SMS, select text message, add or confirm your number, and type the code Facebook sends. Make sure to enable the method you tested. That guarantees you won't lock yourself out later. After enabling two-factor, Facebook will present recovery codes. Save them somewhere secure and offline. You'll need these if you lose your device. Add a backup phone or set trusted contacts as an alternate recovery method, and review active sessions to remove unknown devices. Once configured, sign out and sign back in to test the flow so you know what to expect. If you can't receive codes, use a recovery code, try the backup phone, or open your Authenticator app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.